Hello everyone, this is our second presentation that will cover some more of the TSPC standards related to ELL students. These standards are to be covered with professors who work with students who will be teaching in the K-12 schools. A couple nice reminders for those who work with ELL students is that the strategies advised to be used with second language learners are actually good for all students and they're considered best practices. Our first standards are familiar with characteristics of students at different stages of second language acquisition and English language proficiency levels. Means that we as professors need to remind our students who work with all the students in different subject matters that they need to be able to recognize in what level of the English language proficiency students are and how to better help them. We need to be aware of students who are learning English as a second, third, or fourth language and how their first language impacts their ability to learn English. Second standard we're focusing on, recognize and combat the deficit perspectives and views on second language learner students. Means that there are some stereotypes related to students who do not speak English as a first language. We need to work on removing these stereotypes so that students can be more successful because the expectations will be higher. The next standard, incorporate basic sheltered strategies, visuals, grouping strategies, front-loading, and explicit vocabulary appropriate to learners at different levels of English language proficiency within a gradual release of responsibility model. Means that best practices help ELL students learn all subject matters. Comprehensible input is the main thing to remember, and provide information in a way that every student can understand using pictures, gestures, videos, objects, etc. Our fourth standard for today is implement multiple and varied assessments that allow learners to demonstrate knowledge of content regardless of language proficiency level. This refers to the fact that assessments should assess content only when appropriate, and language should not be at the center of assessments. Our fifth standard refers to ESOL specialists. Understand the importance of collaborating and consulting with English language development specialists. So encourage your students to do the following. Communicate and collaborate with the English language development teachers in the schools. They are the ones who will know what each ELL student needs. The ESOL specialists can also help incorporate the appropriate strategies into the classes. Finally, our last standard for this session, design, develop, and implement student learning activities that integrate information technology. Many technologies are available that are very helpful for ELL students. Google Images, YouTube videos, infographics, Web 2.0 tools, interactive sites, translators, graphic organizers can help students understand what is being said in class. Students can also use technology to produce projects for class while they can get help with language.